This is Infinix Note 50X 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. When your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and your notification center, but if you want to disable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select notification and status bar, select more settings and then disable open control center from lock screen and also disable open notification center on your lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center or change any of those settings or access your notification center. You can move more than one application from one page to another page on the home screen. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select the apps you want to move, and then tap and hold on the apps and then drag and drop it to the next page. So that's how you can move more than one application from one page to another on the home screen. There are multiple ways by which you can use any application in floating window. The first way is to open that application and then swipe up by using 3 fingers like this. Then it will open it in floating window and you can easily multitask in your smartphone. The second way is to open that application, and if you're using 3-button navigation, then tap and hold on the recent button like this. Then it will open that application in floating window. And the third way is to open that application, put it in recent tab and then click on this little icon. Then it will also open it in floating window. It gets confusing sometimes that if you will swipe down from the top of the screen, then sometimes it will open your control center and sometimes it will open your notification center, but there's a specific area from which if you will scroll down, then it will always open your notification center and your control center. So from the right side of your front camera, if you will swipe down, then it will always open your control center. And if you will swipe down from the left side of the front camera, then it will always open your notification center. You can also switch it like this. If you will long press your power button, then it will open this Folex or voice assistant application. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system. There you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this and then select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will always open your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of split screen feature. Open that application, put it in recent tab and then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of split screen. Click on this and then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen. There's a simple gesture for this. By default, this is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select special functions, select split screen apps and then enable this. Now open that application and then swipe by using 2 fingers like this and then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use split screen feature with this simple gesture as well. If you want to set your screen lock before powering off your smartphone, then open your settings, scroll down and then select password and security, select mobile anti-theft and then enable this power off verification. Now whenever you will power off your smartphone, it will always ask for your screen lock. There are 2 other mobile anti-theft features you can use. The first one is unlock capture. If you enable this, then if someone will try to unlock your smartphone and then type 2 consecutive failure attempts, then it will click the picture of that person from your front camera. The second one is theft alert. If you enable this, then you can use this one while charging your smartphone or using your wired earphones. So if someone will unplug your charger or unplug your earphones, then an alarm will go off. Whenever you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open this notification center and control center. There's a simple gesture for this. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select settings. There you will see the option of slide down on launcher. Click on this and then select notification and control center. Now whenever you are on home screen, if you will swipe down to the right side of your screen in the empty area, then it will open your control center. And if you will swipe down to the left side in the empty area, then it will open your notification center. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next 2 features. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first feature is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will change the white color of your screen into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye care. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes, so you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. You can fully customize your locked screen. You can change the clock style, font style, colors, etc. To do that, open your settings, select wallpaper and personalization, and then select lock screen. Select edit. From here you can change the clock style, you can change the fonts, you can even change the color of this. You can select analog clock or digital clock. Here you can change the lock screen notification style, you can select list or icons. You can also change these quick access applications. Select your favorite one and then click on this right icon. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen in the smartphone. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then you must enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then select battery and power saving. Select battery health and charging and then click on charging speed. Then select low temperature charge. Keep in mind this will decrease the charging speed of your smartphone but also increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures, so you can directly open any application when your phone is locked. To customize this, open your settings, scroll down and then select system, select action and gestures and then select quick start. Firstly, enable quick start. There are two features by default, these are enabled. If you want to disable this, you can disable this. Otherwise, you can use it like this. Whenever phone is locked, you can simply draw a C, then it will directly open your camera application. There are a lot of other options as well, you can fully customize them. For example, if you want to set this V to your favorite application, then enable this and then select start app. It will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to set here. And then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will directly open your application. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen, a feature. To do that, open your settings, scroll down, select system, select action and gestures and then click on double tap to turn on or off. Enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can also change the sliding effect on your home screen. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select settings. There you will see the option of page turn effect. Click on this. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. As you can see, it will change the sliding effect on your home screen. When you are listening to music, you can fully control it when your phone is locked with the help of simple gestures. To enable this feature, open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system, select action and gestures and then select music gestures. Enable this. Now you can swipe left for the previous song and right for the next song, and swipe up to stop and down to play. You can monitor your real-time internet speed in the smartphone and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, scroll down and then select notification and status bar. Select status bar and then enable network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system, select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then select gesture navigation. You can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Infinix Note 50X smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.